Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love that this mattress vacuum is helping me keep my home extra clean.
I have to be honest and say that this is not really something I ever thought about vacuuming my mattress. However, I have five pets in the house and they all love to sleep in bed with us. And I realized that maybe there would be some things lurking in my mattress. So, this vacuum from winterbear has helped so much with getting out all of that extra dander and fur that is lurking underneath in my mattress. I love that it's very easy to disassemble so you can make sure every part of the vacuum is clean. And I really appreciate the dual dust cup design and that it has this cyclone filtration. The filter really does a great job of picking up everything that you are trying to.
Once you've seen what comes out of your mattress, your life will be changed, and you're going to want to get one of these mattress vacuums too. And that's my point of view.